Raecho operating of horizontal electrophoresis apparatus. Step 1. Preparation. Clean and dry the electrophoresis tank, sample pipette and other tools in advance. Prepare the buffer solution, cellulose acetate membrane and other experiment materials. Step 2. Membrane and filter paper processing. Pour the prepared buffer solution into the prepared container to soak the cellulose acetate membrane. Take out a cellulose acetate membrane. Distinguish the smooth side and rough side of the membrane. Put the rough side up. Measure about 1.5 centimeters in length with a ruler at one end of the membrane. Mark out. Draw a straight line with a pencil to facilitate sampling. Soak the marked membrane in buffer solution. Soaking time is 30 minutes to 8 hours. Take out filter paper, then soak in the buffer solution. Step 3. Set up salt bridge. After the filter paper is completely soaked, start to prepare to set up the salt bridge. Pour the buffer solution into the tank with a height of about 2/3. Note: this electrophoresis tank runs 2 rows of samples at the same time, sharing the central cathode. If both rows are used, all 3 tanks need buffer. If only one row used, buffer should be poured in the middle slot and slot on the side. Set up salt bridge with soaked filter paper. Salt bridges on both sides should be symmetrical. Flatten the salt bridge with a glass rod and driving out the bubbles. Step 4. Sample pipetting. Firstly, add the sample in the sample base of the super sampling pipette, about 5 to 10 microliter. Take out the soaked membrane and remove excess buffer solution with filter paper. Distinguish the smooth side and rough side. Put the rough side up and spread out on the base plate. Note that the position of the mark is aligned with the hole of the base plate. Use a pipette to pick up the sample and then drop it on the membrane. If the sample concentration is too low, repeat adding sample. Make sure the position of the membrane stays the same when repeat adding sample. Wait until the sample is completely deep into the membrane. Turn the upside down. Place it in the electrophoresis tank with the sample side of membrane down, and place the sample side on the negative side. Flatten the membrane and avoid the membrane surface contact with the tank. Step 5. Electrophoresis. Cap the electrophoresis tank and set the electrophoresis parameters. set current 0.6 to 0.8 megaamperes per centimeter, time 30 to 15 minutes. Step 6. Dyeing and decolorization. After the time is up, stop the electrophoresis and turn off the power. Take out the membrane. Place it in a staining container and pour the staining solution in. Dyeing 5 to 10 minutes. Recycle dye solution and then decolorize. Replace the bleaching solution according to the need, until the sample strip is clear.